bracelets. Every premium chocolate bar begins long before it reaches the store shelf. Behind these walls, science crafts. The journey begins with carefully sourced cocoa beans, arriving from renowned growing regions around the world. Every shipment undergoes rigorous testing to ensure only the finest beans continue through production. Advanced cleaning systems remove every unwanted particle, preparing the beans for precision processing. High-speed optical technology ensures remarkable consistency by selecting only premium quality beans. The roasted beans are cooled with precision to preserve their freshly developed flavor profile. Carefully controlled roasting unlocks the rich aromas and complex flavors hidden within every bean. Powerful winnowing systems isolate the valuable cocoa nibs, the heart of every chocolate bar. Grinding releases the cocoa butter naturally locked inside each nib, forming the smooth chocolate liquor that becomes the foundation of fine chocolate.
Conching is where time and precision transform texture and taste, creating the velvety smoothness associated with premium chocolate.